Green IT and sustainability, the future of technology. Imagine a world where technology powers innovation without compromising our planet. Welcome to the era of Green IT and sustainability. Introduction to Green IT. Green IT, or Green Information Technology, is designing, using, and managing computing resources efficiently to reduce their environmental impact. As we move deeper into the digital age, the need for sustainable technology solutions has never been more critical. Did you know? The IT sector contributes up to 3% of global carbon emissions, equivalent to the aviation industry. But with Green IT, we can change that. Why sustainability matters in IT? The environmental challenges we face today demand immediate action. Sustainability in IT isn't just a choice, it's a responsibility. Here's why it matters. Energy efficiency. Data centers consume about 1% of the world's energy. Optimizing their energy use can significantly reduce carbon footprints. E-waste management. Over 50 million metric tons of e-waste are generated annually. Recycling and reusing components can minimize this impact. Sustainable innovation. From green coding practices to energy-efficient hardware, sustainability fuels innovation. Green IT practices. How can organizations and individuals embrace Green IT? Optimize data centers, implement energy-efficient cooling systems and transition to renewable energy sources. Adopt virtualization. Reduce the number of physical servers by using virtualization technology. Green coding. Write optimized code that reduces processing time and energy consumption. Sustainable hardware. Choose devices designed for energy efficiency and longevity. Recycle and reuse. Properly dispose of old devices and support hardware recycling programs. Real-world examples. Leading tech giants are already making strides in Green IT. Google operates carbon-neutral data centers and invests heavily in renewable energy projects. Microsoft aims to be carbon negative by 2030, focusing on sustainable cloud services. Apple uses 100% recycled aluminum in its devices and runs on renewable energy. It's not just the big players. Startups are leveraging sustainability to innovate and grow. The role of individuals. You don't have to be a tech giant to make an impact. Turn off devices when not in use. Use energy-efficient appliances. Recycle old gadgets responsibly. Educate yourself and others about the importance of Green IT. The future of Green IT. The future of Green IT is bright. Emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, and IoT are being developed with sustainability in mind. As businesses and individuals adopt greener practices, we are paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Green IT is not just about saving energy, it's about ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come. Let's innovate responsibly and make technology a force for good. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.